Yo no quiero que veas como yo te vi, yeah.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's me, Alicia. Welcome back to our channel. I really hope you guys are all doing well and safe out there. I know there's a lot going on in the world, so I hope you guys are keeping safe. But y'all, I got this brand new unit from BestLaceWigs.com. So if you guys are interested in this one, definitely check the description box down below where everything's going to be linked. But this is their Knky Curly 18-inch, 180% density, Knky Curly edge, clear HD lace, 13 by 6-inch parting space, lace front wig. That is a lot to say, but you guys can see it does have their clear lace. The parting space on this one is 13 by 6, so you're going to be able to get a long part with this one. The knots are bleached, the hairline is tweezed, and this cap is a glueless cap, so if you choose not to adhere it down, you don't have to. But this is the way it looks directly out of the box. You guys can see where that 18-inch falls on me. Those curls are perfect. You guys can wear it directly out of the box. It's ready to wear. All you need is some water and some mousse, and you're good and ready to go. And y'all, this does have their 13 by 6 inches of parting space, so you're going to be able to rock it in a center part or a slight side part, and it's going to go 6 inches back. But what I'm going to do here is get this hair nice and clean. We're going to be rocking a wash and go with this one, so once I'm done with that, I'll be right back.
Ya te quiero, y me gusta que me pongas ya primero, y considero que tú no me sigues por este dinero. Yo te noto seria, yo no tengo opción. No me gusta ya esta firme situación. No me gusta cómo va esta rica relación. No me gusta cómo ya ha cambiado dirección.
Okay, so now that the hair is nice and clean, y'all, look at these curls. The curls on this unit is naturally gorgeous. What I'm going to do is a wash and go with this one. So I went ahead and added additional water, and now I'm taking my detangling comb to go through the hair. This is an OG staple. If you want your curls to pop, get this. This is the Wet and Wavy Cream. I get it from Amazon. You can get it from the beauty supply, but it just makes those curls pop in ways that I can't even imagine. But I'm gonna go for a side part with this one. So I went ahead and placed the hair in a slight side part. I'm gonna apply a bit of mousse to the top just to get it to look nice and laid, and we're going to play around with those baby hairs as well because they're curly, but we're going to make them look a bit more tamed. We're not going to straighten them or anything, but just tamed. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead and applied a bit of mousse on the edges, and I'm going through the hair once again to get those curls to pop. And this is how the hair looks, y'all. Once it dries, I'll show you guys how it looks because it's going to look like a fresh day one wash and go. But we're also going to go through the hair to manipulate it a bit to make it look way natural, so you guys can see those edges, those curls. The hair is so nice and full. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and get this lace cut off and get the unit on.
Pero otra vez, yo te quiero ver, cerca de mí, cerca. Tengo que ser, tengo que ver, enloquecer, quiero hacer todo contigo y conocer.
Oh my gosh, y'all, this unit is A1. Lace where is the lace at? This lace is super clear. So for those of you guys who do not plan on adhering your units down and you want something that's going to blend in without having to melt it, this is your unit right here. But of course, I'm a content creator, so I'm going to show you guys what I do to adhere my units down. I do like to take my Got2b spray and I spray that along the hairline, and then I apply the lace on top of that, and then I like to also take an elastic band to melt it down. This is really going to get it to where you have no little pieces lifting up, and it's going to melt right down into your skin. And I allow that to sit on for about 15 minutes, but in the meantime I go in and and manipulate the hair a bit just to make it look a little more natural and get the top of the wig to lay flat. And then after 15 minutes, I removed the elastic band, y'all, and now we have a super meltdown. So you guys can melt it down, or you can wear it the glueless way. Either way, it looks super natural. But I'm now going to take a bit of concealer and apply that into the parting space to make that parting area pop, and you guys can see just how natural it looks. I am obsessed with these curls. They're super natural. That's why I tell you guys, pick up that Wet n Wavy cream. It's all you need to get these curls to pop, and it is a staple. But can we please admire the lace on this unit? I mean, it's A1, and you guys can still see the kinkiness of those edges. Again, the length on this one is 18 inches, and if you extend the hair, it falls right into my waist area, so it is a really long 18-inch. But here are the angles of the hair. I am 5'8", and this is where the hair falls on me, and the density on this one is 180%, so it is extremely full. What I love about this unit is that it's very versatile. You can definitely throw it up in an updo, you can put it in a ponytail. You guys can do a lot to this unit because you have that really long parting space, and the curls are extremely soft, so you definitely can move this hair around. But y'all, again, this unit comes from BestLaceWigs.com. All of their information will be linked down below. This is their kinky curly, kinky edge 18-inch lace front wig. Let me know what you guys think about this one, and I'll catch you later. Bye guys.
No quiero ser tu amigo.